What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to cover one of the most successful Shopify stores on the planet, QVC. And these guys, they're doing over $1 billion in revenue per year, which means that they know a thing or two about the conversion rate optimization. So in this video, we're going to break down 3 tactics that you can use from this brand and apply to your Shopify store if you want to increase your conversion rate and therefore be more profitable when it comes to your Shopify store. So the first thing I wanted to cover here is how they are increasing the perceived value of their offer by using the price framing technique. So here in this example, as you can see what they have the current price of the product. And instead of just stating what's the price of the product, what they're doing as well is they're showing their customers how much they're going to save. They're showing the cross price, they're showing the percentage, and they're also adding here that this is where the standard shipping will be added to the order. Now, this is a big thing because I see many e-commerce stores, they don't want to go for the price framing technique as it adds more of the clutter to the product page. But the thing is that this will make your offer feel way more appealing to your customers because they know that if they act right now on your product page, they will get to save something or they will get some extra offer. So I just wanted to show you how this would look like if they didn't have the price framing technique on this example here. So as you can see, this is their product page without the price framing technique. And you can see how weaker this feels on their end. And it doesn't really incentivize their customer to take the opportunity of the offer right now as they are on their product page. So by showing your customers how much they're going to save and also stacking your offer by providing a free shipping and stating all that in the same box, you're just going to increase that perceived value of your visitors and therefore more of them will proceed on placing the order and therefore you will get to increase your conversion rate. Now, the second thing I wanted to cover on their store is how they're utilizing the scarcity and urgency on their store. Utilizing urgency and these pressure tactics is very important because you are inducing the stress to your visitors to act now. But the thing is that you don't want to overstress your visitors because if you overstress them, you will get them to some anxiety levels where they will just get paralyzed and they will just not act on purchasing the product at all. So in this example, as you can see at the top, they have this banner that says get all purchases in time for 12/25. So this is how they're subtly telling their customers that they need to make the order now if they want to get their products before the Christmas. This is now communicating to their visitors that they need to act now. It increases that stress, but it's not overshooting so that the customer just leave their product page. Also, sometimes when I refresh this product page and I choose some variants, you can see we have this pop-up here that says great timing. This item has recently dropped in price, which now makes it even more incentivizing for me to act now and place the order right now as I am on the website. This is very important because you've already paid for your visitors to be on your websites, and now as they are on your website, you want to make them stay on your website and you want to make them act right now as they're on your website so that they buy your product and they don't postpone that action. This is how they're doing it. They're applying the pressure by making them act now before holidays, and they also make them stay on the website because they say that this is the right timing for them to stay on the website and proceed on placing the order. And the third thing I wanted to cover with this website, which is pretty interesting thing, is how they, instead of having the discount applied to the whole website, they have this coupon code that customers can copy and then paste into the checkout in order to achieve that discount, right? So this is very interesting because they've done some studies and understood that if customers use your discount code and enter it into the checkout, that will increase your conversion rate because your visitors will feel like they've done something in order to get that discount. And psychologically, that creates some sense of achievement for them that they've done some action in order to achieve that discount. And by having that part in their customer journey, more people will actually proceed on using that discount and therefore placing the order. So they could have like enjoy 25% of the whole website automatically apply here. But as you can see, they have this banner here that says you can use this discount code and apply to your checkout in order to save and buy our product. So this is one very interesting research, and this is something that you might try for your brand as well. You can A/B test and see whether the automatically applied discount code on your website works better compared to having them manually enter their discount code and therefore achieving that discount. And of course, if you're going for the option where they enter the discount, you want to make it easy to remember and easy to write down so they don't have to really break their brain in order to make that discount work for them. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you'd like my company to help your e-commerce store with optimizing your conversion rate, you can book a call in the link in the description below.